Today I am going to teach you how to easily add blacky blue mood for this picture using the Lightroom mobile app. So, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure negative 0.20. Contrast to plus 50. Highlights to negative 30. Bring the shadows plus 100. Blacks and whites to plus 20. Now go to curve. I have copied the previous curve settings. And done. Next go to color. Bring the temperature and the tint plus 10. Vibrance to plus 50. Bring the saturation negative 20. Now go to color grading. Bring the hue to 111 and saturation to 15 for shadows. Bring the hue to 115 and saturation to 20 for highlights. Bring the blending to 100. And done. Now go to color mix. Bring the saturation negative 20 and luminance to plus 10 for red. Next go to orange, hue and saturation to negative 20 and luminance to plus 30. Now go to yellow, bring the saturation negative 100 and luminance to plus 10. Next go to green, hue to plus 100 and saturation to negative 100. Now go to aqua, bring the saturation negative 100. Finally go to blue, bring the saturation negative 100. And done. Now go to effects. Bring the vignette negative 20 and midpoint to 40. Finally go to details. Sharpening, noise reductions, and color noise reductions to plus 10. Look the final result. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video like this.